now that I'm ready to go about my day, I like to use the beard butter to add more moisturizer to my skin. So what I do is get a little bit, not a lot. It depends on your beard texture, by the way, too. So since mine is really not that heavy right now, I use a little bit and then go in circular motions. And then I also like to use the brush. So what I would do is just go like this, get in there. You can see how smooth it is in there. You brush it in there, and it leaves it's really soft. And just go in there and make sure you get in the neck. Okay. And then, bam, there you go. And then you're ready.